Faranacht is a forest. We have in America. Agus we have said Dodge. We said retro Dodge City. Agus have said Hannish at Tradi Hawaiians. Have said Dodge.
Dascal here Glenvale and Dodge. We Shaska's art, Manjana. Harfa Shaska's art.
We actually here this. We Jimrat. I might do some. Get them man. She me this nigga. She me got it fast even. Worse is like line. Dag me discussion on London with.
Ani ma darsh talashag as fanyagi talashag as bike got ma free darsh as ma free fanyagi.
I want free here kenche. But we roti gal komoy. Rash jazz, dark hearts, drumline jazz songs, but you move the hula at their foreign charts in a kench group in the year, but you're hoy, I guess, yeah, the Murati Galgamoy, and the Chajotas, but we had those a good chance.
Show me Farragus, Anna Hanik like Ella, he's in that. I guess mom, show me Farragus Bana pause him house, I guess show me Farragus Bana, why divorce him house, that's what I can't.
Hannig Danish could Carasigas, which the doses, which the Keshan, or Shakeshan ran doseless to one. You know, new room I get it doseless, which Shakasla, Egypt the doses.
Oh, we've never read all it was.
In Bonish against the Dodge. We hen night at the Dodge, we stag party down his Dodge. It's not the posh detail, we in Bosch against the Dodge. I guess I have run me a year, which has a Dodge.
There's a Goslan Rod. Tunisia arms agus an Eugen, agus Benina agus Mickey Hen, Amaniat, where's the dinner road Kiana? That could you dig in Dodge and agus Natasha like I mean Doy Rodi got for feel her. Neil, you happy Kinta?
You know, I just said that in the push I got Galga Dodge, now then it was crack here in the tackle of Goriakish New York, yeah.
In Tandem, but in this Masana Vida, the
Harley,
Tom Levy got for the dog, yeah.
Ihe herm. Tan na dini gen réile go ma. Agus an iriani gal cheese in yetter. Yen an Dodge. An club ihe is fad one ihe jir chonel. Raid on ihe tamarapu.
Mashe Jude McGivers, Bonjaka. There Ramne the hen, but there am just small almond. But there Hockle Kailad and Hockle Tishin, Shade Egg. Snatter Hams and Ramshies and the Dodge one is got the Hillary and the Yispin. In a hardwise. Get the flag getters, get to the hand out, been a hardwise.
Peter McGee's anim dues, the man on Honey and Shaw Guido. Been Chattashara Hinyek, my gobbers the bear and Shard to Dodge. Okay, man, bear stock Allenson, Glunia file raise, Glani Suash.
My name is Patrick Maher. This is the Dodge nightclub. Angie, will you do me a favour? Can you just double check the toilets? There's toilet rolls in the mall. Did she do it? Can you just double check she didn't retro?
Mr. Joe, Joe's angry. As he door me, the one holding the door la, Cherub Yang, the much Cherub Yang dish. Tá sam mór gom an sport, bín gimmers do forum peil gidor. Bín gobi fríide le mar a plumrum, agus gobin shows to shartne mar a bouncerum, agus bunim neart soltamas.
Just. I don't think people generally know what it costs to open up a nightclub. I think people would be absolutely shocked. Yeah, 6 all the time. And just say, give you €20. All right?
All right.
It's easy. Mickey Mouse.
That's it.
Mickey Mouse. Where's fucking everyone else? All right. Just give, oh, Jesus Christ. My time of getting stressed out is from 7 o'clock to 11 o'clock. Now, I'm the most stressed man in the world. Then on a Saturday night thinking to myself, there's nobody in the venue, and you're constantly thinking to yourself, am I going to be busy tonight? Am I going to be able to pay the wages tonight? You know, is it going to be good tonight? Fucking no lights on. Right, Declan. Kevin. Where's Kevin? Maple Room, they're fucking desperate for stop.
Stop?
Yeah, just shoot up there. Yeah. If you go up as well.
Tá level stras Patrick Erdú agus an príú chlubig generéla fáscud. A chua stéire tá ócaid inta de flúlar siúl.
Is me sé Ashton Hasaja is Bunliaca, má gobrin seos a George. Tá má dénne cursa beauty therapy inis, tá má Harvard Ray, tá coppla scrúdula dénne gom na chartan chicken agus an sinné tá sa gom.
Right, that's Sula.
Jack Young.
Barchaka, yeah. Con you torchi it, right?
Grama.
Locus at Tomal.
Tá forin gwydor dénne cyn da fundraiser rod, cyn da beauty pageant thon. Agus tá siad glyfig coia mar gyrsau. Agus tá ma hen coia sus Dan, byd siag ober sy'n sio fasta. Agus caim make-up agus collies a hanod o haie, so tá sy'n gwmai fi crach mwy yn sy'n anyway.
Galantas. Come back to my show. She's pissed. Come on, Mike. Eat the wine.
You'll be a woman soon. I love you so much, can't count all the ways I've died for you, girl, and all they can say is he's not your kind. They never get tired of putting me down, and I never know when I come around what I'm gonna find. Don't let them make up your mind.
She has got legs.
Neil sparan ar bí sláin on the spare of the attack crinu and arigid.
Are you under pressure up here, or can you lose one?
No, we're fine, yeah. We're okay, yeah.
There's issues with the toilets. The toilets are my absolute low point in any nightclub or bar I've worked in. Nice. I've got absolutely no idea what problem's going to happen this evening. I guarantee there will be some problems.
What's the breathing real when the honey has an hour? Yes, I heard just right much because you chat now because you pub. I guess just all much just for crack at there a couple of carriages. I'm sure he's Jim Dodge because I'm sure Jim Bears.
Hello there. All right.
Find the culture like to do kind of and then he like work in the car if it's can't be nothing go absolutely psycho. Jägermeister.
Jack can't tell you no idea, can't let you, hey. I swear to God, hey. Go on, I swear to God, hey. Me gobi ar daras, cai tú just chinsiúis nó linne fostad war ráalta, na daoine tá faois chuine te mí daoine tá troblaite chuine te mí agus just a night chuine saoilte fáine daoine tá sa stísanit agus fáine baicta gobísanit éiste chuine chuine saoilte.
Cyn dan y dwch is smó wynyn la clwbíhe rétar. Go heri clwbíhe tuaiche. No all han fwy ish.
Oh, I'm just after doing a master's now in climate.
Right, what year was that shoot?
I'm just after doing a master's, so last year would be the year before now, 2010.
No, sorry.
I'm just after finishing 2010. I did a master's now in 2011.
Canada, how would that be, right? Sure to God. Sorry, hey.
No, I'm
That's
fucking...
proper. Do you have a proper ID? Like, Canada, don't have a proper ID. Swear to God, hey.
I'm here every fucking
Swear, I
week.
can't tell you, swear to God. Stand out. Swear to God, hey. Come on. No, look, if you get a proper ID license or something.
That's the only thing I've got on me. That's the thing in my purse.
That's the only thing. Yeah. No, I swear to God. Swear. Look, hey, yeah, if you get a proper ID, look at that.
No, she's 19, like.
Look at that.
Tríal an caiitú hás cuairtíine fanne bh buncher caiitú bunters leinsel munse dé. Agus manol bunters leinsel jobad ní háda bhí gobaí an leit me seo. Agus cai buncher leinsel jobad le gobaí leit me seo. Agus tá tríal an
She's 19. It's not
even give me an ID, a proper ID. I know it's not funny, but give me a proper ID that shows it. Like. All right. Say, wouldn't you actually more earlier? What, do you have to see if your ID or what?
Here's my ID. Joe Gallagher, Joseph Gallagher, no one makes that one.
Hold on. Ashen, all right? Ashen? All right? Right, get on. How you doing? Stand there a second. All right. How you doing? All right.
Get you the cry, you know, agus bhí the final the my trouble jog the be doile daoine ho más doile was in different holes mar as warle doile grimmer the bikes you torch ma the match trouble ja so rodi mission but the general to like you should let the melt lord to all más trouble just lord más trouble and that because that was it more heavy handed.
Hello there, how you doing? Hello. All right.
Tá sé giri mal, agus tan club fáú, ar an aslín éon na títhe tafarne éitiúil le scailteach rinne.
Yes, okay, sin complimentary shop class, Steve, okay? Sinead, fi hís fáin in Diego, log.
Agus mar a hasín an clubig níú, bédí an richim na híhe, agus tan ragar neartar tí táisiat sa jeru.
Hold the door for a minute, let all that fucking crate get in, otherwise it's going to get too congested. It's now just coming up 1:15, so we've got about 300-400 people in now.
No, we just want to get rid of some of this crowd here, right? Dish patch stage, it's all stop it, G against your heel.
Alright, get on. This is the key part of the night where we need to get people in as safely and as quickly as possible and get them in so they can buy a drink behind the bar. We've got an hour to make money between 1:30 and 2:30, and this is called the hour of power. So get them in, get them drinking, have a good time.
He agree on arts. To scaff your modesty. So I need trouble to be good for so come on, go away. Hey, man, get Red Bull.
Anish, agus an club fui lein hiol, tan vodkas Red Bull a chaw siar mar uiske. Agus, ta kodji kunni girin mashnul.
In more talk. More drink.
The manual on you. a shirt me on. Because it 10 rod in my heel, my goni, my tattoos at no wallet, and my fan in fat. Run up the heels, stop run heel 3K shirt, because it's no wallet on your shirt, man. Shin flood him up on saltas, hall the local, I guess hall the Dodge and rod just my farnish, my heel just run over the mud. The need annually go make else. I'd ask for a while.
The leer dyn i gymart, you know, tan parish o... Ta mae heid mae era hyn i gymart. Ym gan Australia, ysgrif bylder tna sian, ysgrif bylder la 2 blian. Tra gobil 2 hyn la 2 blian. Ysgrif gymart gan Australia nes mi siwgyn. Agus chadwyd am o cyrdi hyn, hiwl gan Australia, hiwl gan America. Gobi, cos hiwl obi bi acw ffyn eto.
The way things are at the moment, you know, with the economy, especially in rural areas, especially in Gweedore, there's a lot of people that have left Gweedore for pastures new. 4 or 5 of my staff have left to go to Australia, Canada, etc. So there's a lot of people leaving, and there's a lot of people that are unemployed as well. So a Saturday night is one of the only nights of the week that people can't afford to go out.
To cover the Carnival Hen, is a Kullenberg, but the Goni Dini Scarch Anim, so good test of the Hananya Danium, so can Gary to a server, kind to the Garland, the Newton, Shun the Farnattenson, so change a jacket or something.
Agus teocht na híthe gairdú tá brú milteanár oran an Dodge.
Sorry, hey, it's hard to leave, hey. It's hard to leave. Why? This is their party.
Excuse me, I'm over 18.
They paid for it. They paid for it. Come on. Hey, you have to be there, horse. That's all right. Right.
Yale Marn Brewer and Hartful Net Job. Mortanu, I would say, art for you, the new sustain shot, I knew the coach Waraku, the new Cargilton too, that I need the Ayagodaru. Being the new stain shots, little cannon, as Tonia, as some Falcara, as the chicks do coach, get them my fuel, Harchin, Dasco shop. Because Tanya Mai get Dasco, I guess, Dasco Maiton, Chabress, I want to faster, like, even trouble John Hayvaki here, to touch a breast.
Cai jogas áid cóleacha here an Doris, a bhíar an Airgil an tamar fod, a regla go níra ha rack.
Tá system of link to see to radios, earpieces get hananya. I guess like wireless Swiss, Lenny Hilla. So with the trouble edge, myself like far Hall and Shaw, I could just see Miss Radio. Testing like Jeta Galray is just during like her to see Shaw. I get that. I guess check a couple of Irish own Daris. Na Darisha and we is that. I guess a couple fun, couple of fun and we, but that system on that job in from
You've only got a split second to make a decision in this game. If there's a fight on the dance floor, you've got to make sure you've got the right person out. Or you split the whole situation up. If there's 2 people fighting, you have to make sure they're separated straight away.
Hold the head, just hold the head. Don't push me. Don't push me. Hold the head a minute. Hold the head a minute. I know, hold on. Hey, stand up, will you stand?
Your door staff are going to have to try and come in and try and split the situation up and get them out of the venue or get them into a position where they can speak to them without knocking people over.
I paid for a fucking dinner, and I'm entitled to that fucking dinner. All right, look, the only reason we went in there is because you were fighting. That's not. We didn't go in there for dinner. Something like that, you know. We're just separating it. That's all. All I ordered was a chicken fillet burger and a fucking taco sauce. That's paid for and ordered. This is Aye, and a fucking taco sauce.
Anywhere where there's alcohol and there's males and females, there's always going to be an argument. And it's the way you control that argument. It's the way you control your venue.
You apologise for me, right?
Apologise, that fucking woman. Get a caravan. You're taking it. Alright, fuck off. Caravan. Caravan. Come on, leave it. We've no room for tankers in Gweedore. You should thank you. There we are. There we are. They will be treated like a tanker. What is that? Their caravan will be tucked. What is that?
You mean trouble more to be seen show here, like, you know, being car tragical, but you mean yeah, Maltnum, I guess not changes Jahaku, changes your mark and problem be. You know, when you mean he problem bluff, like, you know, could just walk, you know, so how am I you guard, you know, touch wood.
Agus na prabadari inye yn tryblaid y lew sial go stipu agus go sewalche. Ordi hir na jahon jarna agus an lichig chartan cria.
Flashlights now. When you flash the lights, you have a big onslaught of people coming to the bar.
Hand on Shedouer, agus is kinchin at on nuer yerna. Kore kriech na hihe van Dodge, weran na via.
Until next time, thank you, good night, people, thank you. Be crack mouth, like, be scarf to Gamorix, and you're not going salt, this is scarf to in shop, but be cracker dying, agus, be crack, like, be dousing, like, class, agus being scarf to, and you're not expecting a scarf to should, agus just be cracker dying, being handling it, like, beyond the atmosphere class.
Here, doy, men's kind of lads, somebody's in crack wine. Factor was Glasgow, so small healthcare bug. Why? But the Tatna was smart. I said, why? Aye. Come on. I'm going to eat my job. I know the hey Barnard Donald. Oh, I'm sure Barnard, I'm kidding him. So beat it from the last door in your pocket. Just dance,
I'm just swearing, yes, I'm Griha. So I don't want trouble, John. I was trouble being Harvey. I just rode away. So we wines, I'm Griha. So we handle the Garth.
It went very well, thank God. They were late-ish coming in, but it's to be expected. But it was a really good crowd. Not a lot of hassle. Bit of handbags.
De triha bol fornje, quick wheeler gonje plasta. Ye wheeler de fepparletis. Her a score liter vodka. Arcade can Red Bull. Lechid Torres Menwas. Ye wheeler bellag. Kiga poster. Agus hart va shehed kernin casta. Es kinchna wala lehid starrad on. Es grey eche van Dodge.
How to turn my shirt inside out.
Queen again shin. Well, beg and wet.